Let's find you a toaster oven. We got 3 Breville toaster ovens here, and today I'll go over with you what the differences are between the tiers. Let's go. The base model from Breville is the Smart Oven Pro. It's got 10 smart cooking functions like toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and slow cook. So it's basically got everything you need to get cooking. Now what's great about this guy is the convection mode it comes with. It reduces your cooking time down by almost 30%, and the oven comes with an interior oven light that turns on and off automatically at the end of each cooking cycle. You also get the option to turn it on and off manually as well. The unit itself uses Breville's Smart Element IQ technology that transfers heat through a 5-quarts heating system, giving you a more even cook with your food. For easier cleaning, Breville designed the inside with a non-stick coating, meaning it cooks fast and it's easy to clean. The Smart Oven Pro has an LCD screen that controls all the cooking functions we talked about before, and it comes with some useful accessories like a 12x12 baking pan, a broiling rack, a 13-inch pizza pan, and a single oven rack, so Breville hooks you up with everything you need to get started. Now, the unit itself is designed for smaller batches, but I mean, you can fit an entire 13-inch pizza or a 9-cup muffin tin inside, so it's got room to work with. The whole unit weighs in at around 23 pounds, so it's not going to take up a lot of counter space, and it's easy to put away if you don't want it sitting out all the time. All right, now moving up a tier, we're looking at the Smart Oven Air Fryer Edition. This model has everything the Pro has, but it adds some more functionality to it. You still get all the same 10 cooking functions from the original, but they've added an air fryer option as well. It still uses the same Element IQ heating system, but it also introduces the super convection setting, which creates better airflow when cooking the food. It makes your meal crispier, and it's done in a shorter time frame. The 860 uses 1800 watts of power just like the last one, but just a side note, Breville does recommend the unit to have its own dedicated outlet so you're not pulling too much power and accidentally blowing a fuse. This unit is great at getting that even cook on your food. It eliminates cold spots and has precise heating technology for more consistent results. Now onto accessories with the Smart Oven Air Fryer. You get a dedicated air fryer basket, a broiling rack, an enamel roasting pan, a wire rack, and a non-stick pizza pan. It still comes stocked with the interior light and LCD screen, plus the interior size is identical to the Pro model. It still fits that 9-cup muffin tray, but it does weigh in at 6 pounds more than the Pro, clocking in at around 29 pounds total. I'd recommend this one if you don't want a toaster and a separate air fryer taking up more counter space in your kitchen. Now for our last model, the Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. This one's got 13 cooking options total. Luckily, the air fryer feature has been brought back, but they've added 2 others as well, a dehydration and proofing function. It's also much bigger than the previous models. If you're cooking for a larger family or meal prepping for the week, this one is the one for sure. It can fit a whole 14-pound turkey inside or a 12-cup muffin tin, making this much bigger than the other 2. While the previous models use a 5-quarts Element IQ heating system, the Air Fryer Pro bumps it up a notch to a 6-quart system for more stable and even heat. Another addition to the upgrade is the super convection mode that creates an incredible airflow for that perfect crispiness we're all looking for. With the accessories, you get 2 oven racks, a 13-inch pizza pan, a 9x13 broiling rack, a roasting pan, and a mesh rack for dehydrating or air frying. But like I said before, the unit is bigger than the others in the family, weighing in at around 40 pounds total. It does take up more space on your countertop, but not by much. It clocks in at around 2.5 inches wider and just an inch taller, so nothing crazy compared to the others. It still puts out great power, pushing 1800 watts, and it's able to go from 80 degrees Fahrenheit to 480 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you a much wider range of cooking options like proofing and dehydrating fruits. It is the most expensive out of the bunch, but it also gives the most. So all right, here's the breakdown for you guys. If you're using the Breville Plus app, just know that for these specific models, its primary use is for finding recipes. The remote preheating features are not available with these units. The 845 Smart Oven Pro gives you a solid baseline with 10 cooking options, convection heating, slow cook mode, and good basic performance. The 860 air fryer adds an air fry cooking mode, super convection for optimal airflow, and a little more tech under the hood. It's definitely what you want if you're somebody looking for something that's more versatile without giving up more counter space. And for the 900 Air Fryer Pro, it's for people that cook, like really cook, not just for heating stuff up. It takes slightly longer to preheat than the other models only because it's a bigger unit, so it has more to preheat in general. It's got the 13 cooking functions. It can fit an entire 14-pound turkey in it. It's got advanced temperature control and all the accessories you'll ever need. But just a side note, for the accessories, Breville does recommend to hand wash each of them with a soft sponge and warm water so the non-stick coating stays intact. I will say, after some research, these are not as effective as a standalone air fryer, and the cleaning process is a little more involved. So if you're primarily using the air fryer function, your best bet is to just go with a standalone air fryer unit. If you're still unsure on which model you want, visit Apt and talk to one of our salespeople. They'll definitely point you in the right direction, or just check it out at apt.com. Link is below. Thanks for watching. I'm Dane with Apt, and we'll see you in the next one.